The mysterious blue door. On a quiet street in a small town, there was a strange, tiny shop that no one had ever entered. It had no name, no sign, only a bright blue door with a golden handle. One rainy evening, a curious girl named Emma was walking home when she noticed the door was slightly open. A soft golden light spilled onto the wet pavement. She hesitated, then stepped inside. The shop was filled with shelves of dusty books, old clocks, and glittering bottles. An old man sat behind the counter smiling mysteriously. "Welcome, Emma," he said as she had never seen him before. "How do you know my name?" she asked. The man simply pointed to a small wooden box on the counter. It had her name engraved on it. Heart pounding, she opened the box. Inside was a silver key glowing faintly. "This," the man said softly, "is the key to one choice you will make in the future. You choose wisely, for it will change your life forever." Before Emma could ask anything more, the lights flickered, and she found herself standing outside in the rain. The shop gone, only the glowing key in her and proved it had ever been there. From that day on, she kept the key close, wondering when would she need to use it.